guys, welcome back to our channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be all new BS6 2021 facelift Maruti Suzuki Swift. The red color treatment is very nice and these are the key placements. So before going to start the video, please subscribe to Motor Beast channel and press the bell icon for the more updates. So let's start the video. So coming to firstly, here you can see the headlights of the vehicle. All the projectors set up LED DRLs on the headlights. The indicators are halogens. The fog lamps are disappointing in this generation. Also the halogens on fog lamps. The front look is very nice. Only change between the older generation of 2020 and 2021 difference between the front grille as a chrome line finish under the Suzuki logo. The number plate position as the same as older generation and the skid plates at the front are very sporty feeling in this 2021 BS6 vehicle. Coming to the Maruti Swift as a one petrol engine on offer. The petrol engine comes with a 1197cc engine. It is available with the manual and automatic transmission depending upon the variants. The fuel type of the Swift mileage as to 23.76 km per liter. Now coming to tire profile of the Swift, the profile of the front tire comes with a 185, 65, 15 inches all the four tires with the alloy wheels on offer. The front suspensions comes with the Mako Persons front of front suspension. Also the alloy wheels are very attractive and disc size is massive enough. Coming to the side profile, roof is completely black piano black finish touch on the top roof and side mirror is also completely black treatment of side mirror with the indicators of the LED indicators on offer. And coming to side profile, the dimensions of the vehicle comes with a length of 3845 mm, breadth with a 1735 mm, the height of the vehicle comes with a 1530 mm, the wheelbase of the vehicle comes with a 2450 mm. And these are the side profile and the dimensions of the vehicle. And coming to the side door handles with the keyless entry on offer, the windows are large enough. The red color treatment on this BS6 vehicle 2021 is very attractive feeling. And coming to the rear profile, Suzuki badge at the center, Swift written at the left side. The variant is not written on the profile of the rear. The LED treatments of all the taillights are very attractive and rear parking and also the indicators are halogens on this generation. The Swift written on the left side with the same graphic font size. The rear profile is same as older generation. Coming to the rear camera setup on the number plate position at the rear and also the spoiler at the rear is very nice on offer. And also you get a wiper on offer. Coming to the boot size, the boot size of the vehicle comes with the 268 liters is massive enough of this small size hatchback of Swift. And 60/40 splitters is on offer on this generation. Coming to right side, you get a fuel box on offer and left side with the light treatment. The 60/40 splitter seats, if you fold the seats, there you can increase the boot's capacity of size and left side has a light treatment on offer. And under the boot, here you can see the spare wheel. Disappointing is not a alloy wheel on this generation also. The spare wheel is a no cross cutting on offer, 185, 65, 15 inches, same as all the tires. So boot size is massive enough as per my opinion of 268 liters. The fit finish of boot is very nice on offer. The hydraulic stance on the boot is very nice performing. Let's close the boot. So overall this is a rear profile as same as older generation of last generation of Maruti Suzuki Swift. Coming to fuel tank capacity of the vehicle, the fuel capacity comes with the 37 liters of fuel tank capacity and 27 mileage in city range as we expected. And fuel lid at the left side, you get only the petrol variants on offer, no diesel variants on offer on this 2021 BS6 vehicle. So coming to the doors at the rear, 1 liter water bottle easily will be fixed and speakers on offer at all the doors and holders are very nice. The chrome finish of door handles are very attractive on this generation. The windows are large enough. Coming to the rear seats are very comfortable on long journeys and also 3 people can easily sit. The graphics on the seats are very nice. The fonts and the waves on the seat covers are very attractive feeling. The black and white interior is somewhat disappointing as per my opinion. The interior gets some not an interior airy feeling. in this generation of 2021 as same. The underthigh support is massive enough. Scoop door seats with the magazine holders. The headroom is also massive enough above the tall feet. On the left side here you can see the hands given for all the 3 doors, and windows are large enough. The rear, coming to rear, do you get a 2 adjustable headrest? Disappointing is no center armrest on this generation with the twin cup holders. The Isofix child seats are very safety and advanced feature on this, and all the 3 seat belts are very comfortable and safety advanced feature on this generation. So overall, coming to the down, 3 people can easily sit, but only some transmission came upside of this center, and no AC vents at the rear of this generation also. You get a single cup holder at the rear. Coming to dashboard, the dashboard design is very aerodynamic and lot of sporty feeling of this. So let's go to front and see what are the features and specifications are added. So coming to the suspension of front as a MacPherson front, and rear comes the tourist beam. Steering tab comes with the electric, and steering column comes with the tillet, and turning radius comes with the 4.8 meters of this turning radius of all new Swift. Coming to the front doors, here you can see the front door opening with the silver treatment lines on the front, and power window buttons, single touch of driver position of power window button, side view mirror adjustable, and also lock and unlock system as given on these doors. So older as same as older generation design. The 1 liter water bottle with the magazine holders are given on the door pockets, and chrome door handles on this generation same as all the doors. So 4 speakers with the 2 tweeters on offer on this generation. So this is the dashboard design from front, and dashboard, the opening the door is very large, and no electric adjustable seats, only manual adjustable of seats on this generation. This is automatic variant and 2 pedals at the down. So let's sit inside and see the comfort levels of this vehicle and dashboard design. So coming to the dashboard design is the same older generation of calm and neat design. And coming to firstly, here you can see the no center armrest, disappointing very much on this hatchback. So handbrake has given at the center, and this is the gear lever is very sporty feeling on this generation. The gear lever is very nice with a 5-speed automatic transmission. Twin cup holders has given here. No wireless charging pad as given. Aux and USB ports as given, and also 12-volt charging socket as given at the front, and there are the key placement I have placed here. So these are the 2 sockets as given at the front manually on this generation. So auto climate control as given here, same older generation design as given as the dashboard design, no changes at all. I have done already the older generation video of 2020 BS6 vehicle, please go and check that. The opening the sticker on the steering is very awesome feeling. So overall, this is a touchscreen. The touchscreen is massive enough as older generation, same size of touchscreen given, and lot of information on this touchscreen. So system settings comes the display, date and time, and audio settings and safety features and suspension settings on this touchscreen. And audio system on this generation also same, no change and all. The silver treatment on dashboard design is very nice, and the air vents design at the front as with azalate switch between them. The plastic used on this generation is very nice. No auto dimming inside on this at this price segment. Light at the center with a mic position. Coming to other side, you get a mirror with a no light, and no mirror, no light, only receives holder at these sun blinds. The steering feel is very nice, and also you get this bottom flat treatment, and silver treatments on the steering is very sporty feeling and aerodynamic designs on the steerings. So Suzuki badge at the center with the round feeling, and horn is large enough. Left side controls with the audio system and infotainment system. Right side controls with the cruise control. The major change of 2020 and 2021 these facelifts is a cruise control added on this generation, and also call, attend and decline as given at the steering only. Coming to left side as the wipers on spray is very nice, and lights and indicators as given with the lever with the right side. The instrument cluster are the same design, older design. The major change of this instrument cluster is 3.5-inch screen as given on this instrument cluster. The left side has RPM meter, right side has a speedometer with a fuel gauge. This instrument cluster has a lot of information like tachometers, trip meters, odometer, and coming to here you can see the gear indications as given below, and racing track meter as given on this instrument cluster, and also the analog meters as given provided on this, and lot of indications on this instrument cluster. Coming to other side, here you can see the right side has the engine start stop button, and also with a start stop button as on off button as given at the right side, and traction controls button as given in the switch at the right side. Overall, this is the interior, and with this darker black finish, the slightly uneasy feeling of interior airy feeling on this. These are the rear seats. The comfort level of seats are very nice. and dashboard design at the front view is also very nice. And overall this is a walk around video. Coming to the dimensions of the vehicle, and front tread with a 1520 mm, rear tread with a 1520 mm, no change. The weight of the vehicle comes with the 875 kgs, gross weight comes with a 1335. So coming back to the engine placements, also you get with a 1197 cc engine displacement of this facelift 2021 BS6 Swift, and also with the 88 PS of power at 6000 rpm and 130 Nm of torque at 4600 rpm. And also you get with the 4-cylinder 4 valves per each cylinder, automatic and manual transmission 5-speed gearbox on offer. And coming to the tires, you get tubeless and radial profile tires on offer with the 185, 65, 15 inches all the 4 wheels with the alloy wheels on offer. The safety features are very nice on this BS6 vehicle. Comes with the ABS on offer, brake assistance, central locking system, anti-thief alarm with the 2 airbags on offer at the top end variant. Also with the engine immobilizer and also engine check warning, crash sensor, EBD, ISOFIX child seats on offer. On the dashboard design, you get a touchscreen with a 7-inch touchscreen, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay with the Bluetooth connectivity and lot of information on that. The hatchback cars with a lot of features on this BS6 vehicle. The fuel and performance of the vehicle comes with a petrol engine, no diesel engines on offer at this price segment, and also on this 2021 variant. The 23 km per liter in the city rates, and also with a 23.76 km per liter in the highways. No change between. All over the 23 km is massive enough as per my opinion. 37 liters of fuel tank capacity also massive enough, and at this BS6 2021 vehicle. Know that you are waiting the price of the vehicle, this hatchback of 2021 vehicle. The detail of the price comes with the LXI variant 5.73 lakhs basic variant, and VSI variant at basic variant also comes with a 6.86 lakhs. ZXI variant comes with a 7.5 lakhs, and ZXI Plus comes with a 8.41 lakhs manual transmission, and ZXI Plus automatic transmission top end variant comes with a 9.76 lakhs. So ex showroom in Hyderabad. So overall these are the prices, specifications and features of the vehicle. So anything missing out the features of the vehicle, please excuse that. And if you till not subscribe to MotorBeast channel, please subscribe for exclusive videos on this channel, and please press the bell icon. Follow me on Instagram for more updates before only, and see you in the next video guys. If you want a test drive on performance of the vehicle, please hit comments and hit comments how the video has came. So thank you so much guys, see you in the next video, bye bye.